In today's video, we will talk about Axolotl Finance. So it is on Binance Smart Chain as well. So it has a slogan right here that you can earn $1 worth of Saxo each 15 minutes to click on claim. So for you to log in, you need to have you need to use your BEP20 BNB address and just claim one Saxo 15 minutes for free. So what we're just going to do right here is we're just going to log in. So when we type the login, okay, just type it here and then just put the I'm not a robot and then just register. So just claim it right now, and I got some dollars right here. So I do have $1, and for you to be able to withdraw onto this finance platform, you need to have at least $500 worth of Axolotl. So this is pretty much a new finance right here, because you don't need to to put any money. You just need to put a your BNB address. Okay, so it's more like an airdrop function right here, where you can claim every 15 minutes, and then of course you will have a referral option right here, okay, which you can get 30% of each claim your referrals get. So of course you get more referrals, you earn more dollars. Okay, so currently, okay, it is not yet proving yet if this is legit, but I mean, who knows, man. This is pretty much a free stuff that we're getting. We've searched this, okay, and I'm also trying to find its contract address if they do have, because you actually want to check if this Axolotl Finance is a rug pull or something. So they're also going to release their white paper this June 6th, okay? So they will release their burn schedule, their plans for AXO value in long term, their target listings, and more. So you need at least $500 for you to withdraw here. So as you can see, withdrawals can take up to 4 days to process. So what you just need to do here is just put your BNB address. Okay, if you do have a Trust wallet, you can use it as long as you have this 0x starting. Okay, and then just claim it every 15 minutes. So for you to be able to check their Telegram, just go into this part right here. I'm going to as well put it into the description box below so that you can see it. So you can ask some questions here, but probably this is more like an announcement, stuff into this part right here. So how many days do we have to get as much access as we can? So this free claim is up to June 15. So after June 15, they will burn 10 trillion AXO each day for 90 days, and 1% is 1% of the token allocation will be set aside for airdrops, and 9% is locked as liquidity in PancakeSwap. So you can use any browsers here, as you can see into their fact section right here, and for you to on the address that you need to use, you can use BSC Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain, from Trust Wallet or SafePal. So I'm going to drop every single link that you probably need as well here, and I think this is pretty much it. Okay, for the countdown as well, 9 days, okay, they will open their trade in PancakeSwap on June 15 at around 15 UTC. So currently the contract address is not yet released. So we're pretty much hoping that we can finally check it out, and we can able to see if this one is really legit. Okay, because if it is pretty much legit, you actually want to buy it into the pre-sale if they are going to offer it, and then just dump it when the price just launches. So it's just my suggestion, because almost every single coins into the cryptocurrencies that are pretty much low cap, and not even a low cap, okay, they just created it because they just want to create it. Okay, most of these coins are pretty much pump and dump. or it's more like after the launch it will just continue to dump, and there's no actually a pump on that part. So um, it's really simple. Okay, you just need to claim it every 15 minutes. Of course, I'm not sure if you're able to if you are allowed to use some type of a auto clicker here, but because they do have a captcha right here, okay, probably you need to claim it by yourself. So you need to wait for 15 minutes. Okay, so you can claim it every 15 minutes. And I think that is it for this video, guys. This is everything that you should know about Axolotl finance. I'm not sure if I pronounce it pretty much good, but I mean, this is pretty much free money. Okay, I don't have any much into my Binance Smart Chain as well, so I'll just take that risk as well. I can always create another Binance Smart Chain account if they do something like a stupid stuff into this part. So it's not really a pretty much big deal for me. So that is it for this video, guys, and I hope that you subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I'm going to show it to you right now. So I do have 9,860 subscribers, so please do subscribe, and see you on my next video about cryptocurrency, about play to earn games and other stuff. So see you and have a good day.